daughter, Madison.
Hello.
And we were just sitting around thinking about Halloween that's going to come up on Saturday, and we thought it would be really fun to share a science project that you can do at home for Halloween. So this is going to be your Halloween science challenge. There's actually 2 of them, and we're going to show you the first one right now. Now here's the deal. Before we get started, I want you to know that if you choose to do this, you should do this with your family. Going outside is best, because if you make a mess, it's no big deal. And you can do this anytime you want. And please, if you do either of these projects, please share it with me on the Flipgrid link that I'm going to give you that goes with this science challenge, okay? So for your Halloween science challenge, you're going to need some materials. We kind of have this started already. One of the things you're going to need is a plastic water bottle. We put some vinegar in here, regular white vinegar, and then we put food coloring. So my food coloring is orange. Madison's food coloring is, what is that color?
It's blue.
It's really dark. It almost looks purple.
I know, I put a lot.
So the first thing to do is to fill up a little bit of vinegar in your plastic bottle. You can choose to put some food coloring in there if you want. You don't have to. Okay, so that's the first step. The second step with this science challenge, oh, I didn't even tell you, this one's called Spooky Balloons. So we're gonna, all right, so here we go. The second step, if you have a funnel, this will make your life a lot easier. So if you can find a funnel, that would be nice, and a balloon. I was able to find some really cute Halloween balloons. You'll see them when we get into our challenge. But you want to open up the bottom of the balloon. You kind of need to stretch it out a little bit. Put it over the funnel like this. And you're going to take about 2 big spoonfuls of baking soda, and you're going to put that inside the balloon, okay? So here's 1 spoonful, and then here is the second spoonful. So Madison, you can use that spoon there. Okay, so just shake it down in there so you can get that, oops. Did you see that?
Yeah, it's a fog.
So you can get that baking soda in there. Okay, so then, I dropped my balloon and everything. Okay, so what we're gonna do is when we put this balloon on top of the water bottle, you have to do it in a very careful way. You're gonna see what happens. You're gonna make a chemical reaction. So let's see if you can kind of open up your balloon. Are you ready, Maddie?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Give me a help.
I don't know, I hope I don't.
Okay, there you go.
There you go.
All right, now. Okay, so you wanna stick your fingers down in there and open it up. Now here's the deal. The baking soda's in the bottom. You want to keep it there. So watch what I do first. Watch me first. So you're going to put this over the lid carefully. Don't let that baking soda get down in there just yet. You want to wait, okay? And you want to make sure, Maddie, that we have the face of your balloon so we can all see it when we get this chemical reaction.
Might need help.
All right, it's okay. This is why you're going to need some help from an adult at home. So you kind of open that up. Set this down together, and we're going to release the baking soda kind of at the same time. So
Same time? Okay.
Okay, so you ready? We're going to put this here. Make sure everyone can see it. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Hey everybody, I'm back, and Madison is still with me, and Claire decided to join us for this one as well.
Hi.
So for your number 2 Science Super Challenge for Halloween, we have this jack-o'-lantern. So this is called Barfing Pumpkins. Now I realize that with the last Super Challenge, we used balloons and plastic bottles, and you may not have that at home, but hopefully you have a jack-o'-lantern, okay, like we have here. So we carved this jack-o'-lantern over the weekend, and now we're going to use it for a science experiment. So what you need to do is the same thing. We're gonna make a chemical reaction. This one's just gonna look a little bit different, all right? So once again, if you decide to do this at home, I want you to be sure to share it with me on the Flipgrid that I'm gonna share with you. All right, there you go.
Dump like all of it?
Dump all of it in there. So we're gonna get a thing of baking soda. Yeah, it's probably enough.
Whoa, that's a lot.
All right.
Well, that's the whole thing.
Okay. There you go. Great.
Oh.
So put the baking soda in your jack-o'-lantern, and then we're gonna add the vinegar, and we're gonna make a similar chemical reaction, but this time it is a barking. So 3, 2, 3. Yay. It's so cool. Oh. Okay, guys, if you choose to do either of these activities, make sure you share it with share it on the Flipgrid link that I'm gonna give you. Girls, no, that's gross. Happy Halloween.
Bye.
Happy Bye. Happy Halloween!